How to fix unable to verify update verification failed because you're no longer connected to the internet issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the verification failed because you are no longer connected to the internet issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as the error just says, check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, you can head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, let me head back there, go to your Wi-Fi. On your Wi-Fi, disconnect to the network that you're connected to and reconnect back there again. After you reconnect to your Wi-Fi, check for your problem if it gets solved. If you're on your cellular data, turn off and turn on your cellular data as well. After you've done that, what you'll then need to do is you'll actually need to head over to your general. On your general, reset all of your settings. To reset all of your settings, scroll down till you find an option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. After you do that, reset all of your settings, and yeah, you can reset your network settings as well. So tap on either one of those and reset your device. After you've reset your device, you can then head back and then simply check if your problem is fixed. And the problem should get fixed, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.